Hello everyone, I'm Zhu Yaohan from Osaka University. Today I'm going to introduce my research titled Integrated Co-Designing Using Building Information Modeling and Mixed Reality with Erased Background for Stock Renovation. With the growing popularity of digital design methods, customized design has become increasingly popular. New design tools fundamentally change the way where designers create physical products, thereby creating a seamless human-centered experience. People who do not possess professional skills also want to participate in design process because occupants prefer to build their own style of indoor renovation. A collaborative design system that allows multi-people participation with visual design method is needed. The MR, including augmented reality, visual reality, and diminished reality. The objective of this research is focused on creating DR background using point clouds and BIM data to build a multi-user MR design method, which is to make all the stakeholders intuitively experience the changes brought from the renovation design and achieve simultaneous architecture, facility structure, and environmental design, and make people without relevant professional knowledge can also participate in the design process and allow multi-users quickly and correctly evaluate the design plans at the same time. And this is the system workflow. As shown in this image, this system consists of three steps, namely background reconstruction, construction of shared network, and the system integration. The head-mount display we used in the case study are HoloLens. And this is the system experience scenarios. In the case study, the renovation plan is to increase the FOV to connect the two rooms. As part of the plan, the proposed system will simulate a window on the wall, and the observers could see the effect of the visual window on the wall with correct perspective and occlusion, as shown in this handmade picture. The equipment of the proposed system consists of several see-through head-mount displays and depth camera to rebuild the DR background, and one router. And this is the system layout. In order to validate the advantages of the proposed system, a case study was carried out in room 411 and room 410 in the building M3 suite campus in Osaka University. The DR target, the red bar, which is a part of the wall, will be diminished, and observers with head-mount display can watch room 410 from the room 411, like A and B. This is the real thing. The red frame shows the DR target area. And this is the final DR result. In the right side, the blue zone is the background theme. This part was actually diminished and replaced by the struck from motion model. It will show the situation of the next room, as we can see in the left side. The brighter part is the situation of the next room. And this is the conclusion and future work. Thank you for your attention.